Okay, students, let us see the last question, question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64. Let us solve this question part by part, okay? It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64. So let us draw this angle. So suppose X, Y, Z. Let us take this angle as 64 degree, okay? So it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64. So XYZ is equal to 64 degree, and XY is produced to point P. Now this line XY is produced, means it is elongated, is produced to a point P. That means from Y it is extended, this line is extended to a point P. Draw a figure from the given information. So this is the figure. If ray YQ, that is Y and Q, one more line is there. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, if I draw a ray YQ which will bisect angle ZYP, so ZYP, so I have to draw a ray is YQ, okay, which will bisect. Bisect means it will divide this complete angle into two equal angles. Okay, that means these two angles are equal. Then find the measure of angle XYQ. So XYQ, I have to find the measure of this angle XYQ, and reflex angle QYP. So QYP, I have to find the reflex angle, okay? I have to find the reflex angle. Okay, now see how we'll do. Now if you see nicely, this is a straight line. So we can say the sum of this angle, and this angle. The sum of these three angles will give you how much? Will give you 180 degree. So we can write like this. As because XYP is a straight line, we can write since XYP is a straight line, so we can say that XYZ, we can say angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equal to 180. Okay, got it clear? You can see here. This is a straight line. So the sum of this angle, and this angle, the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So I wrote here X, this is Y, XYZ plus ZYQ plus QYP is equal to 180 degree. Now second thing you see, this ray bisects this angle. So we can say that this angle and this angle also both are same. So we can write like this, as YQ bisects angle QYP given in question, okay, this is given in question. So we can write, so these two angles are also equal, that means ZYQ XYQ is equal to angle QYP. Let us take as equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. Okay. So now we'll put this value in equation number 1. So ZYQ is equal to QYP. So in place of ZYQ, I will put now. So in place of this ZYQ, I will put QYP. So let us write. So XYZ plus, now ZYQ, I will write now QYP. QYP plus same thing, angle QYP is equal to 180 degree. Let us solve it. So angle XYZ. So QYP plus QYP will give you 2 times of angle QYP is equal to 180 degree. Now XYZ, this value is given to us. How much it is the value? 64. So we write here 64 plus twice angle QYP. So this 64, if I bring the right hand side, what will get? 2 times of angle QYP 180 degree minus 64. So how much will get? 180 degree minus 64. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So I will take one kite. 7 minus 6 is 1. So how much will get? 116. So I can write angle QYP is equal to 116 degree divided by 2. So you get 2 5 ja 10, 2 8 ja 16. So I got angle QYP as how much? 58. Now in the question it asks to us, what is the measure of angle XYZ? That means XYZ. Sorry, XYQ. XYQ. Now you see here, this is 64. How much I got? QYP. QYP, this measure I got just now as 58. So this value is also how much? 58. As because both are same. So now XYQ. So XYQ, that means this whole angle. That means 64 plus 58. So 64 plus 58. 4 plus 8 is 12. 7 plus 5, 12. So how much will get answer? This answer will get as 122 degree. Okay. And reflex angle QYP. Now QYP I got how much? 58 degree. So we have done in the previous question. If I need reflex angle, what I will do? I will subtract from which number? 360. So subtract it. 360 minus 58. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 carried 0, 3. So this question is also very important. All of you try it repeatedly. Okay. Thank you.